Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to use voice effects on your Instagram story. The process is really easy. Stay with me, let's get started. First of all, go to your story. Now you want to tap on the camera option. You'll see a bunch of effects down here and you want to search for the voice effects. So scroll further right to find this search option and tap on that. Then you want to tap on this search icon at the top right corner of the screen right here. Now type voice effects on this search bar right here. And then press search. As you can see, the first option is voice effects. Tap on that option. If you download the effect, it will be much easier for you to use in the future. If not, you can just tap on try it. Here you can see 5 different voice effects. Now you can choose any of the voice effects you want and then capture a video. I'll just choose this helium effect and long press on this option to capture a video. So I'll capture it real quick. Now you can hear the voice effect on your story. Your story is all set to be posted. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.